A helicopter from Kedarnath crashed in Rudraprayag. 7 pilgrims, including a baby, died. A crash happened early morning due to bad weather. The helicopter belongs to Aryan Aviation. CM Dhami expressed sorrow and ordered an investigation. Rescue team reached quickly. This was the 5th such helicopter accident during the Char Dham Yatra. After the crash, CM Dhami gave strict orders. He asked the strong SOPs and safety checks. Weather reports will be improved. DGCA reduced helicopter flights. Shuttle services were stopped. Expert team will review safety. The government aims to prevent accidents and protect pilgrims during the Char Dham Yatra. PM Modi started a 5-day visit to Cyprus, Canada and Croatia. This is his first tour after Operation Sindoor. He met the Cyprus president to discuss trade and security. In Canada, he will attend the G7 summit. The visit aims to improve ties after recent tensions with some countries. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will go to China's Qingdao on June 24 to 25. He will attend the SCO Defense Minister meeting. This is his first China visit since 2020 Galwan clash. This comes after both sides agreed to withdraw troops from eastern Ladakh. Peace talks will be discussed too. India said it was not a part of SCO's anti-Israel statement. The foreign minister said India supports dialogue, not conflict. External Affairs Minister Ajay Shankar spoke to Iran and shared concerns. India wants peace in the region. It maintains balanced ties with both Iran and Israel despite rising religion tensions and violence. ISRO tested a rocket in Uttar Pradesh, Kushinagar. This was the first such test in the state. The rocket flew 1.1 km and landed safely. Thrustech India helped in the launch. ISRO scientists were present. The site was selected in February. The mission was completed successfully. 4 Naxals were killed in security forces in Madhya Pradesh, Balaghat. 3 of them were women. Rocket launchers, rifles and grenades were recovered. Some Naxals escaped and search operations are on. CM Mohan Yadav praised the action. He said, "It's a part of a state's mission to end the Naxalism permanently." Israel bombed an underground missile site in Iran after Iran showed missile strength. Both top Iranian generals were killed. Missiles and tunnels were destroyed. The strike followed intelligence report. Tensions between both countries were increased. Iran has warned of a response. Regional leaders are urging calm and peace talks. US President Donald Trump warned Iran of strong US action if attacked. He denied US involvement in Israel's recent attacks. Iran stopped nuclear talks. Iran's missile killed 6 Israel. Over thousands were injured. Trump said the US will act if full power is provoked. The situation remains tense and dangerous. In USA's Minnesota, a gunman entered the homes of 2 Democratic leaders and opened fire. State Representative Melissa Hortman and her husband died. Senator Johan Hoff and his wife were badly injured. The attacker, dressed in a policeman, is missing. Police found a manifesto with 70 names. Investigation is ongoing. A huge fire broke out at late Friday at Marina Pinnacle in Dubai Marina. Over 3,800 people from 764 flats were safely evacuated. Firefighter battled the flames for 6 hours. No one was hurt. Authorities are giving temporary homes to residents. The cause of the fire is still being unchecked. In 2025, many teams ended long waits for victory. South Africa won the World Test Championship after 27 years. Royal Challengers Bangalore took their first IPL title in 18 years. Paris Saint-Germain won the Championship League without Mbappe.